Thank you for purchasing the MagicTap Fridge Jug. This jug is specifically designed to work with your new MagicTap drink dispenser. The wide top opening makes it simple to mix up a batch of your favorite beverage, and the lid seals for easy transportation and storage. So when you're ready to dispense your beverage, flip the lid up on the fridge jug. Turn the wings up on the silicone adapter and insert the super straw into the opening. Press down for a snug fit and enjoy. For additional information, please contact MagicTap customer service at 1-866-459-2400. That's 1-866-459-2400.